Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisude YouTube channel. How have you been? Today we want to show us how we made this crochet pants, right? It's very beautiful. We made it using half double crochet stitches for most of the body. All right, so without wasting our time, we're going to start. However, have you subscribe to our channel? Are you new here? You should totally subscribe. We bring you brand new videos every week showing you how we made one of our bespoke absolutely beautiful apparel. You can make for yourself, you can make to sell, you can make to give out, and all of that. Apart from apparel, we also show us how we made our accessories and our decor, our household or indoor decor. All right, so quickly, we made this pants in 3 parts. We started with the band. All right, the band, we worked the rib crochet stitch. Yeah, you can see that. Work the rib crochet stitch. We made this pants for a size 8 individual. All right, so of course the measurements you're going to be needing are the waist measurement, the hip measurement, which is the widest part of the body, the thigh measurement. You're going to need that if you're going to make the pants snug. Yeah, but if you're going to make them loose, a different set of measurements will work out, right? I'll do that in another video. And then you're also going to need the calf measurement, and then all the way to the ankle. All right, you're going to need all of that, because if it's going to be snug, like I said, you need all these different measurements so that you can know where to work your reductions and increases. Okay, so we started here, like I said, with the ribbed crochet technique. All right, we worked that. If you see, there's a band in there, so you're going to work this rib crochet in a width that is going to double the width of the band, because you're going to wrap this part of it around the band. All right, you're going to wrap this part around the band and then join both ends of the ribbed crochet. All right, so let's say it takes about 7 or 8 stitches, right, to accommodate the width of the band. You're going to work 16 chains as your foundation. You're going to work 16 chains and then work up as much as you want, because you've already measured the width of the individual, right? So you're going to work 16 of that, and then when you're done working those 16, you're going to fold. This was folded. You're going to fold it over the band and join both sides, right? After, of course, after joining your ribbed pattern, right? You still join both sides to cover the band, and then you start working downwards. That's what we did. You know, pants can be worked in different ways. You can actually work 4 different panels and join them together. You can work 2 panels and join them together. And then you can also work this method where you don't have to join anything. You just walk all through. You start from the waist region all the way to the ankle if you want it to be that long. All right, so we use half double crochet for this part of the body of the pants, right? And we work diagonally, meaning we walk to the left, we get there, we slip stitch, join, and walk back to the right, and like that, you know, around and around. And of course, because we've taken the measurement of the widest part of the body, which is this hip, and we also know the measurement of the crotch, meaning from the underneath the navel, you know, around back. So you know what this length requires, as in all the way from here around and all the way back, right? That measurement will also be required. Some standard measurement guides have that measurement for you. If they don't, you're going to have to ask the individual. You know, not all individuals are the same. A person could wear an 8 but has a longer crotch, and then a person could wear, you know, 10 and have a short crotch. So all of these things are really important. Okay, so we increase along the way. Now note this, you may not need to increase as much in the front as you need to increase for the butt area. If you notice, the butt area, we actually have sharp increases. This is where this is to take into consideration, you know, a big butted individual, yeah, while also, of course, in the process, creating room, making room for the thigh, right? Because at the end of the day, after making all these increases for the butt area, and you get to your crotch, you may not even need to increase anymore for the thigh, because this would have taken care, or so long as this your eventual measurement at the end of the day, at the end of the crotch, measures wide enough to accommodate the butt of the wearer. All right. So at this point, at the crotch, we're going to have to join. Of course, you know that we walked in the round. We're going to have to create a joint, bring them both together. So essentially, what we did was we just chained a few, say about 4 chains, joined the back to the front, and then to create the joining the back to the front creates the hole for the legs, which you now continue working, like I said, with your already taken measurements for the thigh, the calf, you know, the knee area, the shin, what that part is called, and then of course all the way down to the ankle. And then we edged with our famous chain stitch, slip stitch, edge style. All right, that's all we did. It's a really simple pair of pants to work. I don't know if there's any part of this video that you don't understand. Hey, guess what? We infused pockets. Who doesn't like pockets? Everybody loves pockets. We infused pockets at the back. Maybe we'll make another one and infuse the pockets into the body. So let us know what you think about our video, and let us know what parts of the video you did not quite understand, and so we can work out how to teach you that separately. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye for now.